This is going to Illinois. More on that later. Would you guys believe me if I told you that the battery went dead? I know, not me, right? So, wait. Oh gosh. I have the lens cap on now. You guys. That brightens it up a little bit. Alright, here's my phone. What time is it? Almost midnight. Time to move. I'm gonna find somewhere to put the camera. I'm gonna start working on that. Go back. Boom. Gosh, I wasn't sure if that was... back for now, even though that'll get shaved. About to fall off. It's the friggin' fanciest plug I've ever seen. Well, that was easy. There it is. Dripping Blake's brake fluid all over the place. Whatever that is. Change of plans. I had exactly one bite of food and decided that I need to eat as much of it as possible right now and go to sleep so I can wake up and finish this and get everything else ready. I need to get a truck and a trailer ready. If it was summer, I would take my pups. Oh man, baby. Pin's the dog. Where's Pete? Where's my Petrie? Where's my Petrie? Where's your brother? There he is. Hi, buddy. Hi, baby. You get out of my food, tall dogs. What's up? Alright, I'll see you tomorrow.
You think you could punch any louder? I can still hear out of this one.
Still getting ready. We're getting the Forester ready. Running out of time. ABS removed. I need to get these lines out of the way. Got this unbolted so 2 of the lines can come off. Working on getting all of this crap out of here now. Let's see. I'm gonna try to pull this harness up here just so it's out of the way. I need all of this empty. If you can believe it, the GoPro died, so it's back to phone. I got the turbo out, I got the ABS out, and some of the lines. Still need to get these ones out. Found out I have a downpipe. Also found out there's an H-brace, or whatever it's called. So this is coming out next, which is AC line, and then these brake lines, and I think I should be good to go. I'm hoping. Oh, I found some pliers. Look at that. Sometimes you do win some. Oh, my back's about to fall off. All right. Let's see. Oh, pliers and battery terminal cover. Oh my gosh, my back. AC line out. 10 millimeter. Anybody seen it? Oh yeah, I dropped it. You guys don't want to see this, trust me. Oh, it's rounded. I'm gonna have to cut that one, I bet. And it breaks at the very end. Good thing I keep taking my time. That one piece. So these are the last of the lines. I go back here, and down and around. Whoop, whoop, whoop. And let's see, this one right there, rounded it off really bad. I was trying to read. I guess I'm just gonna cut all these. Only got so much time. Now this has to happen. Oh no. Two. Three. Nice. Just got this. Pretty good. Oh yeah. Don't know why that's sitting there. A little bit of dirt going on, you know. Normal amount, I would say. A little bit of tape action. Shoot, I'm halfway done basically. See you for half two. In a crazy turn of events, I'm now going to need this and an extra hand. And a couple of these. And these. see, what else do I need? Anything? So we have 2 wastegates. One 3-inch clamp. One 4-inch clamp. And get out of the light. My turbo. All getting boxed up. Time to go. What are you doing, Catamaran? What are you doing? Hi, Goofy. What are you doing? What are you doing? Boy. There's the other one. I mean, I have one teleporting cat. Oh, let's see. I'll put this right here for now. Just as a holder. I've had it. Alright, let's grab the rest. Can you? Hoop! Now let me get this out of here now. Alright, so here's what's going with the car. And here's what I got so far. Now that I'm back to the GoPro, I should probably pull that down pipe out. Whew, out of breath. Got all the brake lines pulled, ABS, some AC stuff. And we got whiny whippets. Whiny whippets. Mm-hmm. All right. Here's Dad with the trailer. Oh. There it is. Perfect maneuvers. Should be pretty good. I'll strap down the back, get the downpipe off. We should be ready to go.
You have one new voice message.
Hey, I know we haven't talked in a while, but I just want to say you're doing amazing. And I hope you're not getting too caught up on all the things you think you should be doing. I know you've been told you gotta do this, gotta do that, gotta do it this way, but you're on your own path. So let it come to you. As you pass through time, don't forget to simply enjoy existing here, in this moment. Because that's all we got, this time right now. So take care of yourself. I love you, and I'll talk to you later. Alright, peace.
Alright, in case you haven't figured it out, Forrester and I are on our way to Bnm Performance Fabrication in Illinois. Now, Chicago! Forrester, don't fall off the trailer, please. I'm about halfway there. We are here.
Let it all go. Don't be attached. In other words, and they also say, live in the moment.
Remember how I said there's always something? That's not even the worst of it.
Headlight kit and a twin scroll T4, twin gated.